Welcome to Webgility ReCap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using Webgility. In this video, we'll go over the difference between SKU matching and mapping as it pertains to your store and QuickBooks items. Product matching can be a touchy subject for some business owners. With years of cataloged products in QuickBooks and an ever-changing list of items on your online store, sometimes it can be a little worse for wear, especially if you have not had this conversation before. The process of matching items is making sure that the criteria for matching is shared between your online store and QuickBooks respectively. For most people, we recommend matching with the SKU in your online store and the item number in QuickBooks. This is the most straightforward way of doing it, but there are other options available. You can set this matching criteria by going to Integrations, Accounting, POS, and ERP, and Posting Settings. Under the Products tab, you'll see at the very top a couple options for criteria. For your online store, you're able to set the SKU or product name, and for your QuickBooks, you're able to set the item number, item name, UPC, and ALU, and this is for POS specifically. In QuickBooks Desktop Connections, there are a couple options as well. Mapping, however, is another way of connecting the items without having them share that same criteria. This is done manually in Webgility by going to Products, Mappings, and then Products. From here, you'll see a list of items that are in your store but not found in QuickBooks. This could mean that they actually aren't created in QuickBooks yet, but let's work off the assumption that the item does exist in QuickBooks. We just can't find that matching SKU. To map this item, you can check the box next to it, and then on the right-hand side, hit Select Item. This will bring a window that allows you to search your QuickBooks for the correct item to route it to. In this case, I'm just going to select a random item and hit Map Product. You can see now that under the QuickBooks POS number, it added the product that I just mapped it to. And then now, if you wanted to work down the list here and map the rest of these, you could do them all individually. Whenever you're ready to make sure that these products are fully mapped, because this is kind of the primer stage, make sure that your items are checkboxed, and then hit Map Missing Products at the bottom left. This will connect the items in Webgility, and then as soon as you see this confirmation message, you can close the dialog box, return to the product catalog at the very top under Products, and then Product Catalog, and then see them under Mapped Products. For more information on mapping or matching, you can consult our Help Center or reach out to our team for any questions you have. For now, though, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.